Hey friends, lately I've been seeing the same thing more and more often on TikTok and YouTube. New creators buy a DJI drone or camera with D-Log, shoot everything in this profile because someone told them the quality would be better, but nobody explains what to do with that file afterwards. So they upload the video almost without any editing. The image looks flat, gray, low in contrast, and the colors don't look right, and then they think the camera is bad. But actually, it's the opposite. D-Log is made to keep more detail in the bright and dark areas of the image. But after filming, you need to bring back the color and contrast in post-production. And now I'll show you the easiest way to do it in just a couple of minutes, even without advanced color grading. Let's go. First, open DJI Studio and create a new project. Next, drag the D-Log file shot with the Avata 360 into the project. Then place it on the timeline. Now you can see the image looks flat and gray, exactly how D-Log is supposed to look. Next, go to Filters. In the LUT section, DJI Studio shows the option to import a LUT. To download it, search Google for DJI Avata 360 LUT. The first result takes you to the official DJI page with the LUT for Avata 360. In my case, I choose the Windows version and save it to my computer. Back in DJI Studio, select Add LUT. Select the file we just downloaded. Now select the clip on the timeline, then press the plus icon on the LUT tile to apply it. Now you can see the footage come to life with richer colors. Use the slider on the right to control the LUT intensity. I hope this was helpful for some of you. Enjoy your filming, fly safe, leave your comments, ask your questions, and hit the like button. See you next time.